normally the first AirPods ever. I believe this is the first AirPods ever, and we are gonna compare it to the masterpiece right here that I have, which is AirPods Pro. This is regionally from Apple Store, but I just don't buy from Apple Store. Yeah. And if you guys, this is not a rich person. I bought this after getting my Hari Raya money from the uncle, from grandmother, and from parents as well. And yeah, when you are starting to grow up, your Hari Raya will come increasing. Okay. All right. So let's unbox this together. I haven't opened it. You guys can see it's still sealed on. So that is gonna be the fun part about this unboxing. This is my first time as well seeing in person AirPods Pro, and this is my first time also touching it. Without even wasting any time, let's start to unbox it. All right, so oh my god, that is so satisfying. Okay. I think I did a mistake on unboxing it, but we are just gonna do that. All right. Okay, and this is I'm gonna read out first. This is AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. This is why if you guys want to know why AirPods Pro it's expensive, is because wireless charging case, and then yeah, there's more on that. There's the other language as well. There is still a serial number. This is still in warranty under Apple Store. So yup, let's go. Oh, look at how smooth is it. Look, this is smooth. You gotta pull it. Whew. Alright, so there's anything here. We're gonna put that aside. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. And normally on an Apple, everything that you buy have instructions manual. Let me see. I never buy AirPods Pro, so I don't know whether do they include stickers like the phones. I'm not sure. So this is the one. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go there. And yeah guys, the unboxing on this is pretty good. I saw a lot of reviews. Okay, so this is the AirPods Pro. We're gonna open it. There you go. Okay, and then you just can slide it like that. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright, the moment of truth. Wait, I need to see it. Oh wow. Wow, that is whew. And yeah guys, this thing has AirPods Pro have a you have to wear it, and then on the phone they will actually tell whether it fits on your ear or not, which is pretty good thing. And okay, let's put the AirPods aside. We will come back to the box for a sec. Alright, so yeah, there you go. This is what came on the box. You actually pull that in here. There you go. And I'm gonna put that aside as well. So this is the all the earpiece to make sure that it's fit in your ears just nice. So I'm gonna test it out later on after this. And also came with a wire. Now last time all the wires are USB to the lightning cable, but right now everything is type C to the lightning, which is I think is a good thing, which I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use the one that is originally came from my iPhone 11 Pro Max instead. So guys, I'm a pro guys. We have a we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. We also have AirPods Pro. So let's connect it right now. Oh, pretty excited. Okay, so let's move my keyboard real quick. Okay, so before I drop my phone, we're just gonna put on top of here. Okay, so we're gonna on to Bluetooth. All right, so basically we just gonna, I believe you just wear it. Okay, definitely gotta change that. Definitely gotta change that. Okay, wait. Oh yeah guys, they have a noise cancelling. Wait, no. Hello. Oh my god, guys, this thing. Oh my god, I can't even hear myself properly. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna connect it. Where's the button? Okay, there you go. How to connect a AirPods Pro. So let's see. Turn on. Dude, this is a completely. Wait, is this connected? Oh, there you go. We're gonna connect it. Oh my god, this is. Oh, it's connected. All right, media control. Okay, okay, and then look at that. This is the best, guys. Look at that. All right, so it's connected. I believe it's connected. Yes, it is, guys. The noise cancelling is pretty good. It actually did. Okay, so I'm gonna go on Spotify and play my music real quick. Oh my god, guys, I can't hear myself. It's like you are not hearing as clear as you would. You're not listening to the clearer, and yep, and oh my god. Oh man, highly recommended, guys. Highly recommended. Okay, so I'm gonna go on settings, and I believe it's Bluetooth, right? No. AirPods Pro should have its own application, if I'm not wrong. Oh, I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh my god, pretty good tools, that pretty good equipment, guys, to have. And that is so different. That was so different. Oh my god, you can tell, guys, wearing an AirPods Pro, you talking, you can't even hear it to yourself. And when I took it out, you feel like you're in different world, like for real, guys, for real. Announce message from series. Oh my god, this is so amazing, guys. What a great combo with the Apple Watch, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Midnight Green, as well as AirPods Pro wireless charging. And wow, this thing is amazing. I didn't know that. I mean, I heard a lot of reviews. Oh, this thing is pretty good, but I did not expect to be this good. Okay, so yeah, all right, I think that's it for the review, guys. Wow, it's great. It's just that I gotta change the what is it, the tip thing, and to change it so that it fits my ears better, and I can hear it better. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna review more stuff in the future, inshallah, and let's see what we can review in the future. Maybe food, whatever. Let's try. On the future, on the expensive stuff, we can actually review a cheaper stuff. Maybe try baby food or something. All right, see you guys in the next one.